Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here with your June double shot kit. So I hope you're ready for some fun because this month's kit is all about the fun. So the double shot kit comes out every month. It includes 2 collections, cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So it's a great way to get some new product coming in each and every month. If you want a little bit more, check out our flavors of the month. So this month we are featuring photo play paper. We have Tula and Norbert's Excellent Adventure. So if you've been following Tula and Norbert, this one is the summer collection. So it's a lot of fun. And then of course we're all living through COVID-19, and so they have done this awesome collection called Living the Quarantine Life. So this is perfect to document the last few months and how your life has changed during these very unique times. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to get in this month's kit. Starting with Living the Quarantine Life, you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of maraschino cardstock. Your pattern papers are this one called Stay Safe. It has all of the speech bubbles with all of the phrases that are becoming everyday words right now. Sanitize, wash your hands, social distancing, stay safe, the coronavirus, thank a first responder, panic buying, self-quarantine. So lots and lots of fun ways to use this paper. The back is this white dot on the turquoise. And then we have this cut apart sheet. This happened. So we have some 4x6 and 3x4 cut aparts. So these are great ways to add in and get some pages done documenting this life. So they're giving you all of the ideas. Your top 10 movies. Have you been vegging out on Netflix or Amazon, Hulu, all of those things? What have you been watching? Books that you've read. So lots of people are reading a lot more right now. And games we played. Are you working from home? How about did you make a face mask? Document that. Online education. I know both of my kids just graduated and they had an online commencement. So unique. So we're going to be documenting that. And then this is just kind of a little questionnaire. You can fill it out. So quick ways to document COVID-19. The back is this grid design in red. And then we have this ledger paper. The back is that now famous image that we see everywhere of the COVID virus. So one more look at the patterned paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get half a sheet of this cut apart paper. So there's again some 3x4s and 4x6. The back is all of the rolls of toilet paper. So just crazy what people did with toilet paper. And then half a pack of the embellishments. So these will punch out. So again, these will vary in your kits. This cut apart and these embellishments. But this will give you a good idea of what's in there. So there's lots of bigger ones. I got some frames as well. And then some smaller images. So that is Living the Quarantine Life from Photo Play Paper. A great collection to document your COVID-19 experiences. Next is the lighthearted collection, Tula and Norbert's Excellent Adventure. So you're going to receive 2 sheets of Caribbean Breeze cardstock, a sheet of white cardstock, this paper called Pool Party, which has all of these adorable gnomes on their little inner tubes, and the little fishes. The back is a sunburst. This paper called Pinwheels, which has all of the colorful pinwheels on the green background. The back is an orange 2-tone polka dot. Then we have this paper called Lemonade, which is the stripes with the rainbows of color. And the back, of course, is lemons. So we have a whole lemon and little slices of lemon. You can see. Awesome summer collection. Look at those colors. For the embellishments, you're going to receive half a sheet of the Color Me papers. So these are made where you can color them. You can color with markers, crayons, anything that you have. You don't have to have special supplies. And then just tuck them in or fussy cut them out for embellishments. So a lot of fun. And the back is a pinwheel design, so you can choose which side you want or a little bit of both. Then you're going to receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this fun pinwheel border down here and the stripes, lots and lots of word labels, some of the cute little gnomes in their swimwear, and lots of titles for your layouts. So that is Tula and Norbert's Excellent Adventure. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available as well as individual items in the store, and then come on over to the Facebook group and play along with the challenges. Check out what the design teams created with their kits as well as your fellow subscribers. And then get creating with your kits because we can't wait to see what you do with this month's double shot kit.